Hello, good afternoon. Hope everyone is good. In this video, we are going to see how to install SSH-Server in Windows 10 by using graphical mode as well as the PowerShell. So first we can try how to install SSH-Server or client via graphical mode. So first from the start menu, just need to type the apps and features. Okay, it is already here. Just go to the apps and features. From here we can select the optional features. Okay, from the optional features we can see add a feature. Here we can type SSH. Okay, so here it shows Open SSH client, Open SSH server. Here I am going to install Open SSH server. Just here it will show, just need to click install. Okay, before that I will show to services. Just want to show one more thing. Okay, in the services also we can see that it is refreshed. Here no services is running with the SSH server. Here with the only optimized feature drivers is only available. So here I am going to install the Open SSH server. Installation is starting. Okay, it will take a less than a minute, I think so. Open SSH server is installing. Now it is progressing, we can see. Okay, now it is almost completed. Now we can see it is installed. Now the SSH server is installed. Okay, so we will check in the services. Just need to refresh the services. Here we can see Open SSH server is available. It is not at started, and Open SSH authentication is also there. So here Open SSH server, we need to start this service. Okay, now it is started, and the configuration startup type is manual. That depends upon our requirement. We can change it to manual or automatic. In this way we can install SSH server via graphical mode. Okay, so one more thing I am going to show here. Just I am uninstalling this thing and will show in the PowerShell mode. So from here we can see which all the option features that is installation apps. I'm going for the optional features. Okay, from here we can see which all the installed features. Okay, here it is available. From here I am going to uninstall. The installation is too fast, it is uninstalled. We can verify in the services. Here it is, now it is showing. Okay, just refresh and see. Now it is showing it is running. I need to stop the service and just need to refresh the service. Okay, now it is showing it is available. Here it shows that to complete the uninstallation a reboot is required. So after the reboot it will complete.